Welcome to FX Solutions 360. Meet our new updated Forex trading indicator, FX Solutions 360 Multi-Strategy Indicator. A smart money concepts plus moving average system refined with RSI, CCI and trend filters. Trade gold, BTC, crude oil and currency pairs on 5 minutes to 1 hour chart with clear buy and sell signals with proper TP and SL points and instant alerts. Tested performance around 75 to 80% accuracy. So you get fewer false entries and more confidence in every trade. So without wasting time, let's move further. Before that, we're excited to announce a special offer. If you're trading with brokers such as XM, XNES or Multibank, you can enjoy completely free access to our professional indicator. The first option is Show Dashboard. If you're trading from a mobile phone, it's best to turn this off so the dashboard doesn't cover your screen. If you're using a laptop or desktop, you can keep it enabled for quick access to real-time data. Next, we have Select Strategy. Here you can easily switch between different modes such as scalping or swing trading. Choose scalping if you prefer fast, short-term trades on lower time frames. Or select swing if you want to hold trades longer using higher time frames for bigger market moves. Next, we have stop loss and take profit settings. In this section, you can set up your stop loss and take profit levels in points. For example, if you set both to 5, the indicator will automatically place your stop loss 5 points away from the entry, and your first take profit will also be placed 5 points away in the direction of the trade. Note, for different pairs, SL and TP points are different. Like if you want to set in Euro USD pair, you have to set it like 0.0005 for same 5 points. Now we have RSI, trend and CCI filters. The indicator also comes with built-in filters to improve signal quality and accuracy. The RSI filter helps avoid overbought or oversold conditions, making sure signals appear only when momentum supports the trade. The trend filter ensures that trades are taken in the direction of the overall market flow, reducing false counter-trend entries. And the CCI filter adds another layer of confirmation by measuring price deviations, which is especially useful for catching strong reversals. You can enable or disable each filter depending on your trading style. When multiple filters are turned on, the indicator gives only the highest confidence signals, helping you trade with more precision and consistency. This indicator combines RSI and CCI filters to improve the accuracy of buy and sell signals. The RSI length is 14, calculates momentum over the last 14 candles, where trades are only triggered if RSI is above 51 for buys or below 49 for sells, avoiding false signals in sideways markets. The CCI uses the HLCC/4 source for a smoother price representation with a length of 14 for balanced responsiveness. To confirm strong momentum, the CCI must cross above plus 100 for buys or below minus 100 for sells, ensuring only valid trend signals are considered. Users can also apply smoothing such as EMA, SMA, etc. with a customizable length default 10 to filter out noise, especially on lower time frames. Together, these settings create a dual filter system that traders can easily customize to suit scalping, intraday or swing strategies. Now let's check filters required for high confidence 1 to 3. This setting allows you to decide how many filters RSI, CCI, trend, etc. must align together before the system plots a high confidence buy or sell signal. Setting it to 1 means even if one condition is met, a signal will appear. More signals but less accuracy. Setting it to 3 means all filters must agree, which reduces the number of signals but increases accuracy. Recommended: keep it at 3 for the strongest confirmation. Next is Show Low Confidence Signals. By default, the indicator hides weak signals. If you enable this option, you'll also see trades where not all filters agree in yellow labels. Useful for scalpers who want more opportunities. Swing traders may prefer to leave it off to keep only the cleanest signals. At last, we have max labels kept on chart. This setting decides how many signal markers, buy-sell arrows, and labels will stay visible on your chart at the same time. The default is 250, meaning the chart will show up to 250 signals at once. If you reduce this number, older signals will disappear as new ones appear. Why this is important? When traders adjust their RSI length, RSI thresholds, or CCI settings, the indicator will generate signals based on those values. By keeping more labels, for example 500 or 1000, traders can scroll back in history and visually backtest how effective their chosen RSI and CCI settings are. This allows you to experiment. Try shorter RSI, example 710, for faster signals and check how many wins versus losses appear. Adjust CCI thresholds, example plus minus 150, instead of plus minus 100 to filter out weak trades and then see if the signals improve. Combine both tweaks, then review signals across different market conditions. In short, this setting gives you the ability to look back in time and test how different RSI and CCI configurations would have performed historically without needing an external backtesting tool.
So this is it. For detailed guidance, custom settings, or any questions, connect with us directly on WhatsApp. Get free access today and start exploring the power of this indicator. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing trading tools and updates.